Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use an Instagram reel as a template. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the reel icon in the bottom, and then you need to click on three dots, and then you need to click on use as template, and here you need to add media. So I'm going to add a random video. Okay, so let's add more. Okay, so you can see that I randomly add a media, and once you add, you simply need to click on next, and you can see easily post your reel. So you can see that I created a reel. So this is a process by which you can use an Instagram reel as a template. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.